solve the difference of two squares. Okay, so look at the question. D square minus 49. D square minus 49 can be written as D square minus 7 square, because 49 is 7 square, right? And how do you solve this? If you look at the rule, you follow this rule that's given right here to solve the difference of these two squares. Okay, so the rule is that for every real number a and b, a square minus b square equals a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so if you look at this is of the form, how does it look like? It looks like this, right? A square minus b square. So the solution would be, what is a here? A here is d square, right? And b here is, a here is d and b here is 7. So the solution is a plus b times a minus b, right? So in this case, the solution is d plus 7 times d minus 7. Now, if you want to check the answer, let's do the math and check the answer. D plus 7 times d minus 7. So what is d times d? That's d square. Now d times 7 is 70, negative 70, right? And 7 times d is again 70, positive 70. And 7 times 7 is 49. And this is positive, this is negative, so that's negative 49. So the answer would be d square minus 7d plus 7d would be, what would be that? That would be 0, right? So the answer would be d square minus 49. If you look at this, d square minus 49 is the same as this, right? So therefore we can conclude that the rule is right. The rule is right. And this answer is right. To summarize it, okay, here what we did is that d square minus 49, we wrote it d square minus 7 square, because 49 because 7 square is 49. In other words, a root of 49 is 7, right? Okay, so the if you look at the rule right here, if you have a if you how do you solve the difference of two squares? That is what this rule about, right? So in order to solve a square minus b square, you follow this rule. A square minus b square would be a plus b times a minus b. So here the solution of this would be d plus 7 times d minus 7. Now take a look at this question. This is a slightly different question. You cannot write this in the form of a square minus b square, right? But what you can do is that if you look at this question, you can see that you can extract the common factor out, okay? So here the common factor is 10. So 10x square minus 40 can be written as 10, and within parentheses, so if you extract 10 out of this, you would get x square. And if you extract 10 out of this, or you divide 40 by 10, you will get 4, right? So you can write this as 10 and within parentheses x square minus 1. Do you agree? Now, what is x square minus 4? You remember the rule we learned before? So x square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 2 square. So x square minus 2 square, the solution of x square minus 2 square is x plus 2 times x minus 2, right? Remember the rule? Difference of two squares rule. A square minus b square equals a plus b times a minus b, right? So applying the same rule here, the solution of this would be this. So x square minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2, right? So 10 times this can be written as 10 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. And that is the answer.